Mr. Yusuf, have a seat. I'm gonna call you. You're gonna be one of my first people, okay, after we start court.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Yusuf, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Muhammad Yusuf. This is ticket number 293113. One count drove while license suspended. Ticket P 1357230. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, draw, brandish, facsimile firearm. Count 3, consuming marijuana while operating a motor vehicle. Ticket number P 1357251. One count, drive on the shoulder pass through traffic on expressway. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And ticket number P 1004445. One count, driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of Muhammad Yusuf. Judge, I had a chance to talk to him and he wants to waive his rights and accept those plea offers.
Is that right, Mr. Yusuf?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the last part.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. First, I'm going to take you back to the date of May 26th of 2022. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West Warren and Ashton Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, did you brandish or draw or show a fake firearm? Not
It was
fake
under.
firearm.
It was under the
ahead.
seat. It was under the seat. I didn't grab it or anything. I told them that it was underneath the seat.
All right. I don't think you're gonna be able to make a factual basis, Mr. Yusuf. Would you like to have a bench trial or a jury trial? A bench trial is a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. A jury trial is before jurors 6 of the city of Detroit who will come before, listen to all the facts, as I will listen to the facts and make a decision. Which would you like, sir?
Your Honor, I would like to take care of this as soon as possible.
I know, but Mr. Yusuf, you didn't answer my question, yes or no. You gave me additional information. You're not the only person who does this. Everybody does it because they always want to explain, and I so appreciate it. But then once you start talking, if it was underneath your seat, that's not drawing or brandishing your firearm. So now, just say it on the record that it was underneath your seat, so you didn't do that, And so now I'm in a position where I can't take it. You just admitted, you just told me that it didn't happen that way, so.
Well, I don't understand why the police officers did that. They gave me tickets for things that I didn't do, like consuming marijuana.
Okay, so you
Marijuana.
shouldn't be
I
taking
didn't.
the plea. Mr. Yusuf, just stop talking for me. So if you didn't do these things, you shouldn't be taking a plea just to get it over. Because now I really can't take it, because you just told me that you don't believe the officer did any of these things. So you can have a bench or jury trial. The bench trial is before me. The officers will have to come to court and make a factual basis. You will be allowed to testify as well. Or you can have a jury trial where we'll have some citizens from the city of Detroit, 6 of them decide. Which one would you like?
I'm not sure.
You need a moment to talk to the attorney some more about it, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into the breakout room again, and then you'll be able to talk to Ms. Barrett about it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Number 8, okay? Jacob Wright? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jacob Wright. This is ticket P13088095. One count render assistance to drag race in any manner spectator. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Wright.
Mr. Wright, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jacob Wright.
All right, Mr. Wright. Today is the date and time set in this matter for a pretrial. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, so our office has explained to Mr. Wright that he has an absolute right to have a jury trial. He's going to waive that right. We're going to have the matter set before Your Honor for a bench trial, Judge.
Is that right, Mr. Wright? If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Sir, you had a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights. Is that correct?
Yes.
He's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to make it for the day of January 31st. January 31st, that's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. That is going to be via Zoom, Mr. Wright. So the same way you came in today, you're going to use that same Zoom information on January 31st, okay?
All right, got it.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Mr. Wright will give you a call.
All righty, bye-bye.
Yes, Judge.
Terrence Wade. Now calling the matter of the people versus Terrence Wade. This is ticket P1322774. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, defective brake light. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
It's Terrence Wade.
1 second, Mr. Wade.
Good morning, Marlena Barrett on behalf of Terrence Wade.
Mr. Wade, state your name for the record.
Terrence Wade.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. However, the officer did call into court this morning, and she had a family emergency. So I'm gonna have to reschedule this matter, so that she can be able to be available and be here. Hello. Yes, Mr. Wade, what?
It wasn't the lady didn't stop me. It was a male officer. It was a man officer. I know they got a lady named Erica Dudley, but they if I could speak, can I speak? I filed.
It's all being recorded, so anything you say right now can be used against you during the trial.
Oh yeah, no, it's okay. I called the lieutenant or whatever because it wasn't my car. that I was in a rental, and I tried to show them my insurance to my car and everything, and he wouldn't take it because I got stopped on St. Patrick's Day, and the police officer, her partner that stopped me, was intoxicated, and I called the lieutenant and everything for it, but they asked me did I want to make a report. I didn't make no report because I just let it go, but he was intoxicated, and I talked to the lieutenant from another district and they district.
Okay, so what I'm telling you today, Mr. Wade, is I don't know any of that. I'm not the prosecutor, I'm just the judge.
Right.
All I know is that the officer on this ticket is unable to be in court today, so I need to reset this for a new trial date, okay?
Okay,
All right.
so it's just I wait in the mail and that's it.
No, I'm gonna
Just
give
wait.
you a date. Just hold tight, Mr. Wade.
All right.
Wait. November 23rd, okay, I'm gonna try and do it a little quickly because hopefully she'll be able to do it that day, and then you can say whatever you need to say. You will talk to the attorney that day and let them know everything that you just said, okay?
All right, thank you.
9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, and let them know everything that you said. I can't make any decisions, and let them talk to everybody, okay?
All right, appreciate it.
All right, have a good day, sir. Bonds continue, $0 person. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Here is- Here, lady. Here. Mr. Pierre, I'm gonna put you into a waiting room until I finish the people who are on the screen. I'll bring you back in since you're late, and then I'll talk to you then. Call Cornell Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Cornell Young. This is ticket P 1358034. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Cornell Young. Judge, he wants to waive his rights and plead guilty to the offer that was made.
Is that right, sir?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of May the 28th of 2022. Were you in the area of Westbrook and Grand River in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
No.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display a valid operator's license. The remaining 2 counts on this ticket will be dismissed. Mr. Young, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to plead? I pay 30 or 60 days.
Can I get 30 days?
Yep, you can get until December the 2nd, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All
Do I
right, sir.
Excuse me, do I come down there to pay it?
You can either physically come down to 36 District Court and pay, or you can go online to 36districtcourt.org, okay?
Okay,
Yep, I was gonna say either way though, the court is open on the first floor if you want to come down here and make the payment down here, okay?
okay.
All right, have a good day, sir.
All right, thank you, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, you're welcome. No worries. Joseph Watson?
Yes,
All right, sir. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joseph Watson. This is U ticket 638-25622. This is one count of consuming alcohol in public. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of Joseph Watson. Judge, he's asking for a trial date. He says he's not guilty.
All right. Mr. Watson, I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Can you please raise your right hand for me?
okay,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Watson, did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
No, I haven't.
You didn't talk to Ms. Barrett about, in the breakout room about your case, because she knows that you want to have a bench trial.
Beg your pardon, say that again?
Did you talk to someone? They may not have identified themselves as an attorney, but did you talk to someone in the
Oh,
breakout room?
yeah, yes, I did talk to someone.
Okay, she's an attorney. She may not have told you that, but she's an attorney, okay? You talked to her about your
Okay.
case and about your rights,
Yes,
and you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
well, no, no, let me explain why I said that, because
No,
The person that-
Mr. Watson. You can't explain it if you want to have, I feel like if you start to explain it, then I'm gonna have to have you have a jury trial. And let me tell you this, Mr. Watson, I don't have any dates for my jury trial right now. And that means you have to physically come into the building at 36 District Court in Detroit, Michigan. I'm saying this because I'm looking at your ticket and I see where you're at. So don't try and explain anything right now. Explaining stuff is for trial. So would you like to have a trial or would you like to have a plea?
would like to have a trial, or what else now you said?
Or you can plead guilty.
Okay, okay, I'll plead guilty to drinking alcohol in public.
You sure,
I don't need no
sir?
trial. Beg your pardon?
I said, you sure, sir? Are you
Uh,
sure,
well,
sir?
No, I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know. I mean, what's the penalty for drinking a beer in public?
Okay.
What's the
So
fine
what
for that?
they offered you right now, okay, so these are all misdemeanor tickets, okay? Misdemeanor tickets in the state of Michigan have up to a $500 fine, up to 93 days in prison, and any other terms and conditions I see fit. I'm not doing any of that. I can tell you that right now. The offer that you've been given is that if you plead as charged to this, that means if you agree and say that you have consumed alcohol in public, it's gonna be under a 3-month delayed sentence. What that means is that if you pay the fine that I give you, and you don't get any more tickets like this in Detroit, then this case will be dismissed. So that's the offer that's been extended to you today.
Okay,
You want that, Mr. Watson?
yes.
Okay, all right, you've already been sworn in. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to take this plea, sir?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the right that you had? Remember when I talked about either having a bench trial before myself or a jury trial, that's before 6 citizens in the city of Detroit. You're gonna give up that right if you take this plea today. You understand that?
yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, Mr. Watson, you still wanna move forward?
Yes,
All right, sir, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of May 17th of 2022. Were you in the area of Woodward and East Biltmore Street in the city of Detroit?
yes, I was.
And in that area, did you have a can of beer, sir, in your hand?
Yes, I did.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to consuming alcohol in public. Sir, like I said, this is under a 3-month delayed sentence, okay? What that means is that, what type of employment do you have, sir, at this time?
Are you asking me a question?
Yes, Mr. Watson, what type of employment do you have, sir?
Oh, I don't have any employment. I'm 60 years old. I'm retired and I'm on SSI. I have a disability.
Okay. Now, I'm not gonna put your address here. Do you live in DC though? Is that where you live, sir?
No, I'm actually in Baltimore City, Maryland now.
Okay. All right, sir. What were you doing here that day?
I was actually consulting an electrician up there because I used to be I'm a master electrician, but I'm retired. So I went up there in Detroit to consult with some other electricians to let them know what they need to do and what they not needed to do in order to pass inspections.
You got rowdy with the police officer for them to write you this ticket, sir?
No, I did not.
What happened? I'm trying to find out what happened.
Beg pardon?
I'm trying to figure out what happened that day.
Well, I was on a bridge, like a walkway, bridge, like a little pathway that goes to the bus station because I was on my way
Okay.
back home,
Okay,
and I was leaning on a wall drinking a beer, and they stopped me as I was leaving out from under the bridge, and he said, "Man, you can't drink in public." I said, "Just a beer," He said, "Well, you can't do that here in Detroit, because in Baltimore we don't have any problems like that."
okay. All right, sir. So no trouble for the next 3 months, okay? I'm gonna waive your costs and fines today, okay? But you
Okay.
have to check back in on February 2nd, 2023, just for a review. I just want to make sure you didn't get any new tickets, okay, here in Detroit. All right, sir?
Oh yes, ma'am. So you said what's that date now?
February 2nd.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
February
No problem. Just tell
2nd.
me and I'll write, yep, at 8:45 a.m. Just call back in the same way you called in today, okay, sir?
8:45
Yes, sir.
a.m. A.m. Right.
That's correct, sir. A.m.
February 2nd, 8:45 a.m. Call back. Right.
That's correct, sir.
Okay. And so, are we done for today?
All set, Mr. Watson. I'll see you on February the 2nd, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Judge,
Yes,
did you get a chance to see if that police officer for Natasha Watson checked in yet?
they did not. I can't get her out of the room either, so.
49.
Attorney Daoud?
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, the officers are here for Mr. Zaki. I have 3 officers here and an interpreter. So, I need a prosecutor are you gonna have the trial or do you want to try and resolve it? Let me ask that.
Trying to resolve them, Your Honor.
Okay, let me put you in a room with the officers. Officers, do y'all mind going into a room and talking with the attorney about this case today, please?
In here.
Officer Scott and Officer Lindsay.
Yes, ma'am. Officer Lindsay. We can join him.
All right, I'm gonna put you all in breakout room number 1, please, okay? Join that for me,
All right,
including you,
thank you.
officer. You're welcome. Thank you. All right. Pierre, with the hat on in court, sir, please take your hat off for me and unmute yourself. What's your name, sir?
Pierre West.
Were you already checked in today, sir?
I don't think so.
Why are you late?
I'm at work. I had to wait till I went on break.
Okay. So, Mr. Pierre, should I wait until I go on break so I can have you call in the court for today?
No.
Pierre West is checking in for us today. So is Ajane Whitehead.
I apologize for that.
Thank you.
Judge, I think Miss Whitehead, she might have come out the breakout room. I was still working with her.
Ms. Whitehead, you already were here today. Please unmute yourself and let me know.
I don't know why she came out. I wasn't finished with her case.
Oh, did it close all the breakout rooms? No, because I still have people in the breakout room.
Right.
I'm sorry, I was trying to figure out how to unmute it, but I didn't leave the breakout room. My call disconnected, so I had to re-enter the entire courtroom.
Yes, I was still working on her case.
So is it okay if I return back to the break room?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in room number 2, okay?
Number 2?
Yep, you see it invite you there?
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Pierre, what was your last name?
West.
West. Pierre West. He's just signing in. Oh, you missed your bench trial day too. That is a bench trial. We call KPs at 10 o'clock, sir.
What is it?
It was for a bench trial today, and I called KPs at 10 o'clock if you're not checked in. You're supposed to be here at 9 a.m.
I know. I got here like 9. I went on break at 9:45, so I had to wait.
Is it West or West? It's West, right?
West,
Okay.
W-E-S-T.
All right, I'm putting you in the waiting room until I get ready to bring you out, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Judge, I got Miss Watson out, Natasha Watson.
Yep, I'm gonna call her matter because the officer isn't here. This is him. You got Watson file? No, I got it. Watson?
Yes, I'm here. Hold on, I'm trying to send on the video.
Yes. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Natasha and Watson.
How long
This
does
is
the
to-
court usually wait for the officer?
One second, don't worry. I know sometimes this attorney who's in here, he got a deep.
And then they could have been waiting for them to show up, and if they didn't. Hey, go.
All right, sorry about that, Ms. Watson, okay?
That's okay.
All right. Recalling the matter of people versus Natasha Ann Watson. This is ticket P 1244184. Count one, reckless driving. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, no hookup or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Natasha Watson. Judge, this matter was set for trial today. The police officers aren't present. We make a motion that the matter be dismissed or matters.
The time is now 10:15 a.m. No officers having come for this matter. The court is going to grant your request. I am going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Watson, make sure you don't do this anymore, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That was not how you should drive, okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You too. Have a good day, okay? All right. Did you talk to Mr. Yusuf again, Attorney Barrett?
I know I haven't had a chance. I need to talk to him.
They came out.
Mr. West, I haven't talked to him. Hold on one second.
This is a trial.
Winfred Walton, is that somebody else? I don't know who that is.
Yeah, that's somebody new who checked in. So Winfred
Okay.
Walton checked in.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm putting you in breakout room number 3, okay?
Okay, what I just wait in there until you bring
Wait
it back in?
and Attorney Barrett's gonna come in there and talk to you about your case and your matters. Be patient though, okay?
Okay.
All right. Mr. Yusuf, I know
Okay.
he needs to come in there and talk to you, okay?
Okay.
What room did you
These rooms, okay?
Which room did you put him in, Judge?
I'm gonna put him into room number 4. Go in room number 4, Mr. Yusuf.
Room 4? Okay. Okay, and then what about Pierre West?
Pierre West is a trial scheduled for today. He came in a little tardy, but the officer isn't here, so I'm gonna just have him wait for a moment though.
Okay. All right, so I'll go talk to these two.
Please do. When you finish talking to them, then I'll be able to do his case.
Okay, let me do this. Okay.
Judge,
Yes?
do you want Pierre West in the breakout room?
No, he doesn't need to talk to anybody. I'm going to have him sit here and watch us do other court hearings. Sir, you can turn off your camera for a moment though, okay? All right. Mr. West, I'm going to call your case. Just hold tight, okay?
No problem.
Madam Clerk, for this guy that came in here late, Winford Walton, did you get a plea offer? I didn't get a plea offer for him, just unless I missed it. Why? Can the clerk hear me? Can the clerk hear me or no?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is prosecutor. Oh, boy. Madam Clerk. Okay.
Mr. Prosecutor, this is Ms. Baird, House Counsel.
Hi, I am trying to get into a breakout room I have 2 officers and a retained attorney.
Oh, but wait, before you do that, do you have an offer for Winford Walton?
I don't have the
He
offers
showed
in
up
it.
late.
I don't have the offers in hand. I'll have to try to write one for him. What's the, let me see.
He has a number of cases.
Oh, well. There's a lot going on. What's his name? Winford Walton. Okay.
Yeah,
Well, it
it's
looks
on
like
page 1.
I say he looks like he never had a license.
Yes,
Winford Walton. He's probably gonna need to go take a driver improvement course and come back. He's doing a lot of driving without a license. Never
So do
acquired. He
you
got
want
2
him?
of these tickets.
So he's 20. So you want him to go take the class and come back?
Go
Get
take
a
the
new
class,
date?
come back. Yes. Driver improvement course. I could send you an email real quick. Just
So the judge can handle it.
Create. See. Okay, I got your email right there. Winfred Walton. Winfred Walton. Judge Taylor. Okay. Wrong telephone number is. Where's 2402? Okay, Ms. Barrett, I just sent an email to you with regard to that adjournment for him to take a course.
Okay, I didn't receive it yet. I'm sitting here. Oh, there it is.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna go off to a breakout room 1. Thank you.
Okay, thank
You
you.
said you didn't get the email yet?
I got the email.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, what are we ready on, Attorney Barrett?
Okay, Judge. Mr. Yusuf, he needs a jury trial, and then the other gentleman, he should be out too. Let me look at the names. Yes, Mr. Yusuf wants a jury trial, and then where did the other person go? Mr. Winfred Walton, the prosecutor doesn't have an offer. They want him to go to driver improvement. I don't know why he left, but he's supposed to go to driver improvement school. And I think that would take care. Oh no, I have Anjanae White. I needed to talk to the state about her. I don't think the state came in.
State of the city?
State.
Okay, we can get her.
Yes, but what happened to Mr.?
He's in the
I told
waiting
him
room, so I'm with, what, he's in the waiting room, so I'll bring him in.
Winfred Walton, yes, I told him.
So, well, he's gonna take the course, Your Honor. Don't worry about making a plea recommendation today.
Is that what who did you get that offer from? For the
Okay, I'm
driver?
sorry. Oh, from Prosecutor Morgan, city attorney.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor. Is there anyone else?
No, that was
it. Let me know. Thank you, Your Honor, for covering
Thank you.
133.
Oh, of course. Anytime. Aja, did you have the offer for Aja Whitehead too?
For which one?
Aja
Well,
Whitehead.
we're missing the state part of it.
Okay, we'll get her. What? No, let's see. Pierre West?
Yes.
All right. Where are you, sir? You can activate your camera now for me, please. Now calling the matter of people versus Pierre West. This is ticket P 1247004. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, registration and/or plate violation. Count 3, violation of the basic speed law. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Pierre West.
All right. Mr. West, can you state your name for the record, please?
Pierre West.
This is the date time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, I need to know if those police officers signed in. I wasn't given that information.
They have not.
Judge, based upon that, we make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
The time is now 10:43 a.m. No officers haven't come in for a matter set at 9 a.m. The court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, Mr. West, good luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Your Honor, good morning. This is Wayne. This is the City of Detroit prosecutor. I have a resolution on John Zaki. That's the retained matter.
Okay, I don't have the file, so I can't call him until I have the file.
Okay, then I'll write it up and bring that right back. Thank you.
Thank you. In the meantime, I'll do Mr. Mohammed Yusuf. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Mohammed Yusuf. This matter was called on the record today, earlier with all of his tickets, but we needed to take a moment's break so that we could find out exactly what he needed to do. Appearances once again for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Mohammed Yusuf. Judge, I spoke with Mr. Yusuf and he indicates he wants a jury trial.
All right. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I don't have any jury trial dates right now, so what I'm going to do is set it for a pre-trial, and hopefully by the time you come back, I'll have some jury trial dates for next year, okay? So I'm gonna set it for a pre-trial on the date of January 20th, 2023. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. And hopefully by that point in time, I will have them. I'm gonna add you to my list of folks that need to have jury trials. All right, so I'm hoping they give me a lot of dates next year too, because we're a little backed up, but hopefully they give me a date. It may be towards the end of the year, but hopefully it'll be next year, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll set his bond at $0 personal. I'll see you back next year, okay?
Okay, what day did you say? Or do I get it in the mail?
No, write it down. January 20th, okay?
20th at what time?
At 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You as well.
All right, bye-bye. Winifred Walton. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Winifred Walton. The second, this is ticket number P 1356948, count 1, tinted windows, count 2, drove while on license. Ticket number P 1116620. You gonna be able to pay attention for a minute, Mr. Walton, while we do your court matter, or no?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just can see you, and so you gotta just sit still just for a minute. It's not gonna be too long, okay?
Okay.
All right. Driver's license never acquired, count 2, tinted windows. Ticket number P 1105968, 1 count, driver's license never acquired, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number P 1172344, count 1, disregard red signal or amber signal, count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P 1101609, 1 count, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Winford Walton, Judge. There's no recommendation for him today. The prosecutor wants him to go and do a driver's improvement class due to the charges.
Sir, how long do you think it would take you to do this class?
What's that kind of class is that, like a driver's training class, basically?
Yes, it's one that's gonna be probably all day long, and it's gonna talk about, like, reintroduce you to driving and all the requirements of driving.
I work every day of the week. I'm off on Sundays and Mondays, so it would have to be on my off day.
Listen, I don't know what day it's going to be on, Mr. Walton, but if you want to resolve these tickets, this is what they're offering you at this point in time. Now, if you want to just have a pre-trial date, I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date and come back. I'm gonna give you plenty of time to be able to do it, because it's not until January. So between now and then, you need to find some time to attend this class so that you can get a different type of offer and show us the certificate, okay?
Okay, thank you.
January 20th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay? Have that
Okay.
certificate so they can make you a different type of offer on here. They're trying to avoid you getting so many points, okay? That's what it's about, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
I will, thank you. She's back in room number 2. We need to, what you call it, code? All right, let me give this code.
Attorney Dowd, can we join a breakout room? I'm on the Zaki. I want to talk to you about Zaki.
Hi, Paula, this is Sandy.
Hi, Sandy. I'm sorry to talk. I know the judge is also in 133, so and we have a hearing schedule, so I thought I better skedaddle in here.
Okay, yeah, well, go to, is there anybody in breakout room 1? Let's see. If not, you guys can go there.
Thank you, Sandy.
You're welcome.
Attorney Dowd, let's go to breakout room 1, please.
Attorney Cole,
Yes.
the judge needed you on another case also. This Whitehead, she needed you on that case as well.
Oh, okay, because I know I need to get back in 133 too.
It's okay.
Okay.
You can wait, because I gotta come back to 133.
Okay, good.
Okay, so did you want to talk to me first, or you gonna talk to the other kids first?
I'm just getting ready to join room 1 with him.
So do you want me to wait, or you want me to go to room 1?
You can go to room 1.
Okay.
You're welcome. All right. Let me see if I had a file. No. Yeah. Just give me a print. Right, reading. Rattle feathers. You want her to stand there, Your Honor, or over here? What's the motion today?
No, the trial date.
This is trial, right?
Dismissal, yeah.
This is the motion. Come on. Did motions already?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Katrina Wright. This is Z ticket H083281. This is count 1, operating with a high blood alcohol content, more than 1.7. City. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge. Kerry Mitchell appearing on behalf of Ms. Katrina Wright.
Remember, she can't hear. Come back. Come on. Yeah. See that box on the wall?
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Kerry Mitchell appearing on behalf of Katrina Wright, P number 42028.
And Ms. Wright with a big voice, can you please state your name for the record?
Katrina Wright.
This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Counsel, do you have any motions?
Yes, Judge, we are ready to proceed. Understand that the people are not ready to proceed. We will request a dismissal.
All right. The time is now 11:02 a.m. I do give an hour time period for officers and defendants to appear. Officers not having appeared in court or on Zoom at this time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Ms. White, I don't know what happened in this incident, but let it not happen again, okay? All right, all right. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
Just waiting to hall for the order.
Yes.
Oh, Your Honor, in relationship to that, we would like to have an order requesting a return of fingerprints.
Oh, destroying the fingerprint?
Yes.
Okay, I don't mind doing that. I don't know if we have a form for it over here.
If you don't have the form, we'll take care. We're just like.
Okay, I was gonna say, if you submit something to the court will most certainly sign that for you, absolutely.
Thank you,
Okay,
Judge. We'll
all
wait in
right,
the
sorry
hallway.
for the fuss out, but sometimes I gotta tell y'all. Thank you. You're welcome, have a good day. Wait for the dismissal, we'll bring it out to you, okay? All right.
You know, they got it.
Sandy, or, Mary, Miss Edwards? Do you happen to know if Officer Lindsay is still, Officer Lindsay's is still here? Can she, does
Yes.
Officer Lindsay and I go into a breakout room, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Officer Lindsay, go to breakout room number 1.
I think I was in there with somebody, wasn't I? I think I'm
Will
in there.
do.
Okay, hold on. If it's not empty, just for a moment. Go to number 3.
Thank you.
Call me.
Your Honor, we are ready on John Zaki.
Okay, we got everybody, we got the attorney and everybody out the rooms.
I know Mr. Morgan wrote up something on it.
Okay, here, we got the interpreter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where's is the officer? Officer Lindsay should probably.
She's still here.
Okay, good. I was just talking with him.
All right. All right. Here is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to call the case for the record. And then I'm going to immediately swear in the interpreter, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus John Zaki. This is ticket 212-963-951. One count furnishing alcoholic beverages to a person under 21. Ticket number 212-969-351. One count selling or furnishing alcohol to a person under 21. U ticket 60995821. Illegal business practices. Interpreter, can you please raise your right hand? Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Samara Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court, state certified qualified.
And do you swear or affirm to translate Arabic to English and English to Arabic to the best of your abilities, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. All right. Can I have the appearance for the record of APA code first, please?
Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
And attorney, can I have your name for the record, please?
I think he's frozen.
Good morning, AJ.
You got bad reception, sir.
Your Honor, I can hear you guys. Can you guys hear me?
We can hear you now. You dropped off for a moment. So state your name for the record. Sir, can you hear us? Can you hear us now?
Yeah, sorry, Judge. Looked like I was in a bad area. I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Attorney AJ Dowd on behalf of Mr. Zaki, Your Honor.
And Mr. Zaki, can you state your name for the record, please?
سيد زكي اعطينا اسمك للتسجيل.
John Zeki.
John Zaki.
How we- Thank you. How are we proceeding today, council? I don't know who wants to speak.
I didn't know if I have to wait till the translator.
كيف بدنا نكمل حضرتك عم تسأل المحامي قال هي ناطرة لترجم لك.
Okay.
Your Honor, I had a chance to speak, or Attorney Morgan, is my understanding, is dismissing his count with about the business license. And the people on the furnishing alcohol, I don't believe the people are ready to proceed. I did have a chance to speak with Officer Lindsay, who is present and ready to go forward, but I'm unable to proceed at this time on my ticket, so I would ask that it be dismissed. I'm moving that it be dismissed.
عم تقول إنه المدعي العام مورغان عم تطلب إنه يتنازل التيكت اللي عطوه إياه بالنسبة للتجارة هيدا يلغوها، وبعدين هلا المدعي العام من ولاية ميشيغان عم تقول كمان عم بطلب إنه يتنازل غير القضية.
All right, is your ticket the 212969351 ticket?
Geez, I gotta pull it back up. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
It's
I
up.
believe it is.
Yeah, yes, I will check it really quickly, because your clerk was kind enough to send it to me.
بدها تطلع على الرقم الجازي اللي عطوك اياه ظبط. بدها تظبط يكون الارقام مظبوطين.
Unfortunately, he cut the top off when he sent it to me.
It's okay. I think it's.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
مع الأسف.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Madam Interpreter.
مع الأسف ما قادر يشوف الرقم هلا القاضي بدها تتكلم.
It's 212963951.
عم تقول الرقم التيكت 212966351.
And it would be a civil infraction, but it will be dismissed. We're moving to dismiss it.
كان المخالفة المدنية بدنا نلغيها.
At this time, the court's going to grant your request and dismiss your ticket.
رح توافق القاضي إنه تلغي هيدا الضبط اللي عطوك إياها.
All right. What are we doing with the other two tickets, counsel?
I know the business license ones, Attorney Morgan said he was going to dismiss it, but but in recognition that he would be pleading to my ticket.
That is correct, Your Honor.
But after I had a chance to discuss it with Officer Lindsay, I did not feel that I was prepared to go forward on it.
Okay.
كانوا متفقين إنه مع المحامي مورغان إنه يلغوا التيكت على شرط إنه يحمل التيكت اللي أنا أعطيته. بعدين أنا تكلمت مع سيدة لينزي وبعد ماني حاضرة لأعرف شو رح أعمل اليوم. بالنسبة للتيكتات اثنين اللي باقيين.
Thank you, Attorney Cole. You can sign off now.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so what I hear everyone saying is that, Attorney, you need to talk to Mr. Morgan again.
تطلب منه يتكلم مع سيد تاني.
Is that right, counsel?
I guess so. I mean, the deal was that he would dismiss his and my guy would plead to the civil infraction, but prosecution couldn't proceed on the civil infraction, so I'm back to square one now. I gotta go back and talk to Morgan.
ان احنا خالصين واتفقنا انه السيد مع مورجان وبس رح يحمل مسؤولية مخالفة مدنية، بس مبين بدي ارجع من اول جديد احكي مع السيد.
All right, I do apologize
بعتذر منه عم تقول له.
where we are.
بس هيدا الحالة اللي نحن فيه حاليا.
Off the record in this matter for a moment.
راح توقف الكلام حاليا دقيقة.
Attorney Barrett, want to go back into the breakout room?
She's in breakout room number 1.
Oh, thank you.
Did they come back in there and talk to you, Ms. Whitehead?
No, I actually was just trying to see, I was actually just making sure everything was still going on.
Yeah, we're still going on there. We're supposed to come in there and talk to you about your matter. They're trying to figure things out. Sometimes, Ms. Whitehead, what ends up happening is that your tickets will be both state and city tickets written. And so then we have to get a special prosecutor in here to get some stuff together. So this whole, I'm sorry it's taking so long, Ms. Whitehead. I really do apologize. So it's not you. You should have been out. I do thoroughly apologize. You just got to go back in the waiting room. I mean, in that breakout room.
Number 2, correct?
Yep, I have you on number 2, okay? Just keep real patient. I apologize.
It's okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge. What breakout room was Miss excuse me, Whitehead in? Two, thank you. Okay, Judge, we're ready on her case.
I'm sorry, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Miss Barrett,
Yes.
all right, I'm gonna handle Miss Ajane White.
Okay. I know you're doing a lot today.
I am, it's okay. And we're down prosecutors too, so that doesn't help.
Right, I know.
Miss White, can you turn on your camera for me? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ajane Whitehead. This is ticket P 13-07603. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, failed to immediately disclose to officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. Count 3, this driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Anjanae Whitehead, I believe. And Judge, she wants to waive her rights. There is an offer for that civil infraction, and the city was going to dismiss the other 2 counts.
And do you want to take advantage of that, Ms. Whitehead?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's the offer, Ms. Barrett?
The 2 counts from the city were going to be dismissed, and then there was going to be an offer to the civil infraction on the CPL. Hold on one second, Miss. I can tell you. The city attorney says she emailed it over to the court. Give me one second, Judge, so I can pull it up on the computer. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to pull it up on the computer here.
It's all right. I'm gonna pull it up and print it too and put it in the file. So you're good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it just came up. Plea to MCL. Looks like 2.452F, section 5, F4, civil infraction. And that's on ticket SP 130. Okay.
Okay. All right. You want to take advantage of that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I'm just reading what it says. So she's gonna take advantage of the section 5.4. What's the asterisk for the other one? Section 5F5.
Correct. Well, she was just, I talked to the prosecutor about this. I know why she put that on there.
Okay. So it's just the F4 one.
Yes.
All right. We're reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis. Ms. Ajane Whitehead, you want to take advantage of this offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So reading from this on the ticket on the date of January 31st of 2022 in the area of Connor and Finlay Streets in the city of Detroit. Ms. Whitehead was driving a Chrysler vehicle and did fail to immediately disclose to the officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. Satisfied, counsel?
Yeah, she just admitting responsibility on the civil infraction, Judge.
She is. Okay. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes.
So at this time, the court's gonna amend this count 2 to MCL 28.425F4. And that's the civil infraction. It's $100 fine, ma'am. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am. That's just fine.
All right, so I'm gonna have to do no later than November 16th, 2022, okay?
You said November 16th.
16.
Okay.
Okay, all right, there's nothing further, you're all set. We're trying to get, that concludes your hearing. We're trying to get APA Morgan back to handle the rest of this case. I'm sorry, Attorney Dowell, but I'm kind of I don't know what to do with it.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Well, Judge, I think that's it for me, though.
That is it for you. So you are all set, Ms. Barrett. You have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Your Honor. I just want to make sure I have to leave by 1:10. I have another.
Gonna finish it. He's in the hallway right now. I'm so sorry it's taking so long this morning.
No, that's all right. It's just that I have a case, another case in Dearborn.
Absolutely, ma'am. I'm gonna hopefully have you out within the next 10 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Attorney Dowd.
Very.
Mr. Zaki.
Hi, Your Honor. He's in my conference room right now.
Okay, that's all right. I saw him this morning. We're gonna do this very quickly, okay?
All right.
All right, Madam Interpreter, you just sit right there. You don't have to say anything, okay? Recalling the matters of the people versus John Zach. This is U ticket 6099581. This is one count illegal business practices. Ticket 212969351. One count selling or furnishing alcohol to person under 21. And ticket 212963951. One count furnishing alcoholic beverages to a person under 21. Attorney Morgan, I'm gonna have you come closer to the mic just to be louder. Can you state your name for the record for me, please?
Stephen Morgan on behalf of the city of Detroit.
All right. And counsel, can I have your name for the record?
Attorney AJ Don on behalf of Mr. Zaki, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Zaki is present in your office. I did see him currently online for most of the morning. I know he is present. But for this hearing, are you going to waive his appearance just for me to physically see him?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
All right. It's my understanding at this point in time that the officers did appear on all of these matters, but we are not ready to proceed on them. So is there a motion from you at this time, sir?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, and the court's going to grant that. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. If at some point in time they would like to refile them, they could, Attorney Dowling, okay?
Of course. Thanks, Your Honor.
And the court wants to thank you for your patience this morning. I know it took a little bit of time, but we appreciate your patience and your willingness to be kind of still while we did this, okay?
Anything for you, Judge. No problem.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And thank you so much, Madam Interpreter. I said I would get you out of here in 10 minutes and I did. Thank you for being online all morning long. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.
Bye. Have a great day, Judge.
All of
You
you.
too, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Officer Scott, I see you on there. Thank you so much for your patience today too, and be careful out there, please.
See you later.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a great day. Good morning.
You too. Thank you.